Dad used to say that childhood was like being drunk. Everyone remembers what you did, except you. I remember everything.
Good one, Dad.
Rabbit face, rabbit face.
My twin brother. We had two souls, but one heart. But one day, Child Services came to take us away. That was the last time I saw my brother.
Dear Gracie, my new parents are strange. I'm coming to get you. I'll walk across that big burning desert.
Why are you dressed like an ant?
I'm a snail. Pinky.
Nice hairdo. Dickhead!
She was my first real friend.
Come on, fella!
Grace, it's time for you to shed your shell. Life isn't about looking backwards, Gracie. It's about living forwards.